Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sharif Drawings and Paintings. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell button so that you will be notified instantly whenever a new video is uploaded on any arts and paintings like pencil sketches, any unboxing videos also. Today in this video we are going to have a look on pencil set which I bought for skin tones especially. This is from the Mont Marte brand. It has a 12 colors which is completely relevant to the skin tones. Let's unbox that packet and we'll have a try in that, how it looks on shading, whether those pencils are smoother and giving the good results of skin tone texture. Let's do it. They did not specifically mention which color this pencil is. They just mentioned the skin color pencil and the brand name Mont Marte. If an artist is a beginner and he is not aware of much colors, then he may not be able to decide which color it is. And that is one part. I feel like they would have mentioned the color name in this pencil, on this pencil. For the dark shade, they gave 6 pencils. I think this also comes in the dark. Yeah, 7. And for the lighter, we have the 5. First, go with the light colors. I'm pressing harder. Okay, this feels smooth actually. The next one, this is lighter tone. I think it feels geranium red. Now I'm pressing hard. I'm pressing harder. Okay, yeah, I like it. This is smooth. And okay, we'll try this dark shade. It's a gray. It's nice. Now let's try the mixing of the colors. On top of the light color, I will add some other either light or dark color. Yeah, these are very smooth pencils. These are good to go.